Lewisville ISD is in the northern part of the Metroplex in South Denton County. Approximately 53,000 students, 63 campuses, 130 square miles. We serve 13 different cities.
Before bringing TFE in, we had a demand for the use of technology. Students expect it, they expect it to work, but we had an aging infrastructure. We had switches out there that were several years old. We had cabling that needed to be updated. We had a huge need for wireless infrastructure, so our students did not have the access that is critical for 21st century learners. We really looked at what products are really top tier because we wanted to make sure that we had the very best infrastructure that we possibly could have.
We needed a trusted partner that we could depend upon to come in here and work with us to build our infrastructure, do it in a timely way, do it in a way that worked, do it in a way that was reliable and dependable. One who would listen to us and our needs and where we were trying to go. TFE demonstrated they're willing to do that.
And I called some business partners that I really do count on, and they just had very high regard for TFE. So I contacted TFE, and they were just absolutely outstanding with their knowledge base, their engineering staff, how they would just sit down beside us and how they would plan with us. We had them come in and they did a complete audit of the infrastructure, every single campus in LISD, over 70 sites. They looked at our infrastructure and then they made recommendations. They went above and beyond. They went to our leadership team, they shared with our leadership team, and they made recommendations that were top-tier solutions.
TFE began working with Lewisville ISD in 2010 by replacing their existing voice with a Cisco implementation. From that point, TFE began a network assessment to determine where the district was and began a strategy for the student's success in the future. We implemented a new Cisco core form, which beefed up the infrastructure, and the end result is more wireless.
The district invested in the Cisco Nexus platform, the 7000 and 5000 series. They've also invested in the 4500 series switching gear. We are implementing wireless overlays using the 5500 controllers and the 3850 series switching gear. We're placing access points in almost every classroom, and it supports the N protocol. It is also going to allow us to grow and support future iterations of different product sets that may come out wirelessly to support instruction for children. Currently, LISD is implementing brand new wireless overlays in all 68 campuses district-wide. So as children may walk around with different types of wireless devices, whether it be an iPad or an Android tablet or a laptop, they can seamlessly do their schoolwork in any part of the building, inside and outside of the campus. We are trying to provide the best network that will provide us the most choices for future growth into the next decade. And by choosing Cisco gear, we believe we've made the right choice.
The implementation working with TFE with the rollout of Cisco products, in my opinion, was just top-notch. It really could not have been any better. We had to rebuild our network operating center. We went in there and just put in all new Cisco equipment, and they did that just over the summer, and it was really like building a new city. And they were here for us. We did not have much downtime at all that I'm aware of, and it was really as if they did the impossible.